All right, GSXR 600 time, and I gotta say, this is the sexiest, I think, GSXR 600, and honestly, the sexiest color scheme GSXR has ever come out with. This blue pops. I mean, oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Jump right into it, man. The new GSXR 600s are really cool. They really are. I was never a huge fan. We have new tires on here, so I'm gonna be a little gentle. The 750, you feel a little bit of a difference. You know, it's got a little bit more power, but not a whole lot. It's not that big of a difference, really. Two stock 600 and 750 back to back. I feel it obviously down low. And I feel it a little bit on the top end. But it's nothing drastic. It's not too crazy. But I gotta say, this new GSXR 600, it is nice. They are nice, or at least newer gens rather. I never really rode too many after really like 2010, because I mean, I was never a huge fan. But these new ones feel really light, really nimble. They sound great when you modify them. This one in particular looks amazing, because I love that blue color. And they have really good power for a 600. I mean, I'm shocked at how fun and easy it is to ride. I really wasn't expecting to like the GSXR 600 as much as I have. Like I said, never been a fan, always was a Cowie man, still am, let's be honest. But this is not bad. This is not bad. And what really honestly goes to show you, like, the whole adage of race on Sunday, sell on Monday. What really brought my attention to this 600 was what Moto America was doing with Sean Dillon Kelly and Richie Escalante in, like, what was it, 2019, 2020? Honestly, I can't remember what year it was. 2021, was it? Might have been 2021. Them throwing down on these 600s, and the GSXR just being really strong. Sean Dillon Kelly, obviously, great rider. Let's not forget that. Like, takes a good rider to get the full potential out of a bike. Oh. We have a quick shifter on this one's aftermarket, but oh, I mean, it held its own. It was a strong competitive bike, and I was like, okay, like they're just doing something here. It's got really good kind of low end pull for a 600. Really, really good low end pull for a 600. With the modern bikes, you really can't go wrong. They all perform so good now. And I don't even think that's with 600s. That goes for even the 1000s. Like, they're all great. It used to be, you know, you could nitpick here or there. Which one's better? Does this a little bit better? This one's a little bit better for track. This one's a little bit better for handling. This one has some better top end feel. Now they're all really even, especially the 1000s, more so than the 600s, but definitely the 1000s. You notice that. And with this 600, it's just so light, so nimble. That's the biggest thing that's standing out to me. And we are full on gas. Coming from a 1000 going back onto a 600, man, I forgot how light they were. I forgot how light they felt. And this has great power, and they're not plagued with the electronic problems that they used to be plagued with. Older gen, early 2000s, mid 2000s, Gixxers in particular, unfortunately, they were plagued with a lot of electrical issues. Mainly charging system issues, and it was really like once it got to a certain point, if you didn't address the issue properly and put high-end parts in it, and if you kept repeatedly having that charging system problem, it was like a cancer. The wiring harness would just start to melt in certain areas, and like it was a nightmare for some of the early 600s, really. But that is not the case. I have not had many modern Gixxers, 600s, 750s, and 1000s. I have not had too many come through the shop with charging system issues. Most of them are pretty solid now, which is great, because that was like the biggest problem with the older models. And sometimes it wasn't even honestly a problem with Suzuki. It was the problem with problem with us. It was us. We caused the problem. People doing bad electrical work, people putting HIDs and putting light kits and stuff like that on their bikes that draw a lot of power. Well, you wouldn't think they draw a lot of power, but they do, especially HIDs, and the systems really weren't meant for that. And the Gixxer boy crowd loves doing that stuff and loved doing that, and that's kind of what also gave them a bad rep early on, was because of that. On top of the fact that also from the manufacturer, their systems were not that good. They had some weak spots, you know. But it's just not the case anymore, and it is so much fun to ride. Well, give me a pop. Yeah, a little bit of one. Man, I mean, for a 600, it really does move on the top a whole lot more than they ever have before. There's nothing to fault with it. The brakes feel great. The handling is as nimble as it's ever been. The power delivery is as best as it's ever been. I love it. I never loved Gixxers. Never. I love this 600 though. It is great. I feel like I got faster than I did on the 750. 6-gear pull. Man, my camera moved too. I mean, dang, Suzuki out here killing it with their 600.
Woof, she is hot, gorgeous compared to what they have now. The new color schemes for 2023, they're not very good. Suzuki needs to keep making this color scheme for like ever. They just need to make it forever. Let us know if you agree with that down in the comments below. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos, like I said before. Get subscribed, give us a like, let us know how we did. And also, while you're down there, check out our gear website and parts website. We sell gear and stuff online. You can get helmets, jackets, gloves, exhaust system, tires, oils, all kinds of stuff for your bike down in the description below. And cool casual apparel like this awesome hoodie that I have now converted to a Gixxer fan. So yeah, check those things out and we'll see you guys in the next video.